Hello children, today we are going to learn about divisibility rules. But first, let us learn what is the meaning of the term divisible. When a number can be divided by another number exactly, that is, without any remainder, we say that the given number is divisible by the other number. For example, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6 and the remainder is 0. Thus, 18 is divisible by 3. Whereas, 25 divided by 3 is equal to 8 with the remainder 1. This means 25 can be divided by 3 but it is not divisible by 3. Using the terms of division, we can say that if a dividend is divisible by the divisor, it means that the quotient is a whole number and the remainder is always 0. An important point to remember here is that all natural numbers are always divisible by 1 and itself. Now let us learn the rules of divisibility. These are a set of rules that help us determine whether a number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out the entire division process. In this video, we are going to learn the divisibility rules to test divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. First, we'll do the divisibility rule for divisibility by 2. If the given number is even, that is, if the units digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we say that the given number is divisible by 2. For example, 354. The units digit is 4, which means the number is even. 354 is divisible by 2. 689. The units digit is 9, which means the number is not even. So, 689 is not divisible by 2. The rule for divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits in the number is a multiple of 3, then we say that the given number is divisible by 3. For example, 975. The digits in the number are 9, 7 and 5. We add the digits 9 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 21. Now we know that 3 into 7 is equal to 21, which means 21 is a multiple of 3. Hence, 975 is divisible by 3. In 421, the sum of the digits is 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. And we know that 7 is not a multiple of 3. So 421 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. If the number formed by the tens and the units digit of the number, that is, the last two digits of the number, is a multiple of 4, then we say that the given number is divisible by 4. For example, 6824. The last two digits in this number are 2 and 4. The number formed is 24, and since 4 into 6 is equal to 24, we know that 24 is a multiple of 4, which means 6824 is divisible by 4. In the example 8918, the number formed by the last two digits is 18, and 18 is not a multiple of 4. Hence, 8918 is not divisible by 4. There is one more rule to test the divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of the number are 00, that is, the number is a multiple of 100, then the given number is divisible by 4. For example, 8300. The last two digits of this number are 00, which means that the number is a multiple of 100. Hence, 8300 is divisible by 4. Please remember this important rule. All multiples of 100 are always divisible by 4. The rule to test the divisibility by 5. If the units digit, that is the last digit of the number, is either 0 or 5, we say that the given number is divisible by 5. For example, 12,835. The last digit is 5, hence the number is divisible by 5. 7,980. The last digit is 0, hence the number is divisible by 5. But 3,526, the last digit is 6, which is neither 0 nor 5, which means the number is not divisible by 5. The rule to test the divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then we say that the given number is divisible by 6. For example, 2514. Is it divisible by 2? The last digit of the number is 4, which means that the number is even. So yes, the number is divisible by 2. Next, is the number divisible by 3? The sum of the digits is 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 equal to 12, and 12 is a multiple of 3. So yes, the number is divisible by 3 also. Hence, 2514 is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now, look at the number 7390. Is it divisible by 2? The last digit is 0, which means the number is even. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? The sum of the digits is 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 19, and 19 is not a multiple of 3. So no, the number is not divisible by 3, which means 7390 is not divisible by 6 because even though it is divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits in the number is a multiple of 9, then we say that the given number is divisible by 9. For example, 8451. The sum of the digits are 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 18. And 18 is a multiple of 9 because we know 9 twos are 18. Hence, 8451 is divisible by 9. In 7365, the sum of the digits is 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 equal to 21. And 21 is not a multiple of 9. Hence, 7365 is not divisible by 9. The rule to test the divisibility by 10. If the units digit, that is the last digit of the number, is 0, we say that the given number is divisible by 10. For example, 4180. The last digit or the units digit is 0. Hence, 4180 is divisible by 10. In 5206, the last digit or the units digit is not 0. So, 5206 is not divisible by 10. A quick recapitulation of all the divisibility rules. To test the divisibility by 2, the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For divisibility by 3, the sum of the digits should be a multiple of 3. For divisibility by 4, the last two digits should be 0, 0 or a multiple of 4. For divisibility by 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5. For divisibility by 6, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. For divisibility by 9, the sum of the digits should be a multiple of 9. And for divisibility by 10, the last digit should be 0.